Duet Mail AI is one of the most exciting AI tools released recently, and today we're going over 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. If you're new to Duet Mail AI or are considering it, stay tuned because I'll break down exactly what it offers, how it can help, and why it might just be the best AI software for email marketing right now. First off, Duet Mail AI stands out because it leverages artificial intelligence to create highly personalized email campaigns at scale. It's not just about sending emails, it's about sending the right emails at the right time, making it an essential tool for anyone serious about email marketing. Now, here's something that blew me away about Duet Mail AI, its intuitive automation features. Instead of spending hours setting up workflows, you can let the AI learn from your emails and audience interactions, automatically optimizing your outreach efforts. This means the software is always improving, so you're not just sending mass emails, but crafting messages that truly connect with your subscribers. Another crucial feature you need to know about Duet Mail AI is its ability to create engaging, personalized content. This isn't just generic AI writing. It taps into rich data about your audience to generate highly customized messages that will resonate with them. Whether you're sending promotional emails or follow-ups, the AI ensures every message is relevant and personal, driving higher engagement. But let's get into the results you can expect. Duet Mail AI doesn't just promise better engagement, it delivers. Users have reported up to a 40% increase in email open rates and a significant boost in conversion rates. That's the power of AI working to refine your content and delivery, optimizing for maximum impact. If you're concerned about the learning curve, don't be. Duet Mail AI is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. The interface is simple, and with clear setup instructions and AI-driven recommendations, you won't waste time figuring out how to use it. If you're new to AI tools, this one is as accessible as they come. For businesses running on a tight budget, this is another reason Duet Mail AI should be on your radar. It's incredibly cost-effective for the value it provides. Most AI email solutions are expensive, but Duet Mail AI is one of the most affordable, making it a solid choice for small businesses and entrepreneurs who want to scale without breaking the bank. And here's something I really appreciate about Duet Mail AI. It offers a completely free trial. You can try it risk-free and see for yourself how much of a difference it can make in your email marketing efforts. Whether you're managing a small list or a large one, you'll be able to get a feel for the platform before committing. Before we wrap up, I want to share that, after trying thousands of AI tools, I found my top picks for software that truly delivers, and Duet Mail AI is now one of my top recommendations. You can try it out for yourself with the free trial from the first link in the description below. To sum it up, if you're looking to level up your email marketing with smart AI-driven automation and personalized content, Duet Mail AI is worth a serious look. Make sure to check out the link and see what it can do for you. And don't forget, I've listed some other amazing AI tools that you can try for free down below in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.